Welcome to Jet Worldwide's presentation, Shipping to Canada from Peru. This presentation explains the fundamentals of shipping from Peru. If you're involved or want to get involved with international shipping, you should become familiar with these fundamental concepts. To assist with navigating this video, each subject is presented section by section, from the data necessary for customs declarations, free trade, non-resident imports, to finding the best shipping modes and parcel carrier options. An accompanying PDF with additional information and reference links is available on our website or in the description below. Let's get started. First up, HS codes. While both Peru and Canada adhere to the World Customs Organization or WCO standards, HS classifications are unique to each country. The difference is primarily following the first 6 digits. For help with translating your product description to an HS code, visit our HS Code blog, which includes an in-depth video presentation. Peru's National Superintendency of Customs and Tax Administration, SUNAT, has an online tool to assist in finding an HS code. To find a Canadian HS code, you can go directly to the Canadian Customs Tariff. Alternatively, a great resource to consider is the online tool from the Canada Export Development Corporation. These resources link directly from our website. Declaring a value. In the majority of cases, the correct value to declare at export and import is the transaction value. The transaction value is simply the price paid or payable for the goods. Canadian Customs, CBSA, considers the value for duty to be the cost of goods plus shipping and insurance, known as the CIF value: cost, insurance, freight. Best to specify these 3 costs on your invoice. If your transaction price is inclusive of shipping and insurance, you should include the term CIF value. In some cases, there is no direct transaction, such as sending samples, warranty parts, or transfers between related entities. Visit our blog on declared value for additional information. Country of origin. Just as shipping from Peru to Canada is not the same as shipping Peruvian origin goods. Peru origin goods are those that meet the rules of origin within a free trade agreement, which we'll cover later. All shipments from Peru are subject to standard import processing. The default most favored nation duty rate will apply, unless the goods qualify as originating, and there are restrictions on specific categories including food, drugs, and alcohol. Resulting duty assessment. In most cases, import duty is determined by 3 main factors: tariff classification or HS code, country of origin, and value. The tariff classification and country of origin determine the percentage to apply to the value for duty. Note that all imports, even if imported duty-free, are subject to Canadian federal and provincial taxes. Visit our blog outlining other common Canadian import fees. Export declaration from Peru. Exporters must submit an export declaration. The necessary documents and data includes the exporter's registration numbers and classifications. Note that the harmonized code used for export may differ from the Canadian code necessary for import. Canada-Peru Free Trade Agreements. Canada and Peru benefit from 2 free trade agreements, or FTAs. Both countries are part of the Comprehensive and Progressive Trans-Pacific Partnership Free Trade Agreement, or CPTPP. In addition, they share a bilateral agreement, the Canada-Peru Free Trade Agreement. Both agreements facilitate trade in both goods and services. The key advantage for merchandise or goods is duty-free access for Peru origin goods to Canada, and vice versa. Both agreements remain in force and coexist. Importers can utilize the agreement and only one that best fits their needs. Non-resident importer program to Canada. The NRI program allows Peruvian businesses to get a Canadian business number. It can greatly simplify the import process without having to involve your Canadian customers. Essentially, Peruvian companies can act as their own distributor for goods to Canada and North America. The requirements include posting of a surety bond and record keeping. Note that the valuation rules may differ for non-resident imports. Imagine sending your Peru origin goods in bulk to Jet Worldwide via low-cost ocean or air freight, clearing the goods as a non-resident importer, and having your order shipped on demand across Canada from Canada. Moreover, those same goods can ship from Canada to the U.S. direct via low-cost ground, taking advantage of the $800 duty-free threshold to the USA. That's the type of opportunity you have with Jet Worldwide. Shipping options: Peru to Canada and North American logistics. The international parcel shipping options from Peru include the obvious choices of name brand couriers: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and the local post. In general, Correos local post options are best for individuals shipping personal packages. Contact our team for rates on shipping commercial packages and cargo. The best way or mode of shipping depends primarily on the size and weight of your consignment. The necessary time frame is also a factor, but cost usually wins out over faster transit. Air cargo offers a lower price for smaller shipments. For larger consignments, sea freight is the preferred option. These are some of the factors our team considers to find your best shipping option. Jet Worldwide provides Canadian logistics support. This can include receiving returns, purchasing, forwarding to Peru, across North America, and globally. Basically, if you ever ask the question, wouldn't it be great if I had a local partner in Canada and North America? Well, now you have the answer. Jet Worldwide. Consult with Jet's best-in-class logistics team for rates and global project support.